भगवान शिव शंकर की अर्चना में ये भजन हमें ये सिखाता है कि जीवन में आप कितने भी पाप कर ले, लेकिन सिर्फ एक बार भोलेनाथ की शरण में चले गए तो वो आपके सारे पाप हर लेंगे, क्योंकि वो देवों के देव महादेव है और फिर भी भोले हैं, भोलेनाथ कहलाते हैं। तो आइए हम सब मिलके चलते हैं महादेव शिव शंकर की शरण में।
ओ शिव की शरण में आजा, शिव की शरण में आजा, भोले की शरण में एक बार आजा आजा, शिव की शरण में एक बार आजा आजा, शिव की शरण में। शिव की शरण में आजा, शिव की शरण में आजा, भोले की शरण में एक बार आजा आजा, शिव की शरण में एक बार आजा आजा, शिव की शरण में। ओ चंद्रमौल चंद्रशेखर भोले त्रिपुरारी है, गले मुंड माल राखे कर त्रिशूल धारी है। ओ चंद्रमौल चंद्रशेखर भोले त्रिपुरारी है, गले मुंड माल राखे कर त्रिशूल धारी है। नंदी पे सवार ऐसे, नंदी पे सवार ऐसे, शिव की शरण में एक बार आजा आजा, शिव की शरण में एक बार आजा आजा, शिव की शरण में। संत और फकीर सब है शिव की शरण में, गरीब और अमीर सब है शिव की शरण में। ओ संत और फकीर सब है शिव की शरण में, गरीब और अमीर सब है शिव की शरण में। शिव जी सबको मिलते हैं, हो शिव जी सबको मिलते हैं, ज्ञान और धर्म में एक बार आजा आजा, शिव की शरण में एक बार आजा आजा, शिव की शरण। हो शिव की शरण में आजा, शिव की शरण में आजा, भोले की शरण में एक बार आजा आजा, शिव 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 की शरण में।
Namaste and very good morning to all of you. I, Arahi Donga, welcome you all in Grade 2 Assembly. Today is Monday, 25th January 2021 અને ગુજરાતી તિથિ પ્રમાણે આજે પૂષ શુદ્ધ 12 છે. Recently, we celebrated this kite flying festival. We all know how it is celebrated in Gujarat. Let's see how this festival is celebrated in different parts of our country, India. Uttarayan in different states.
Kaipoche! Yes, the words say all about Uttarayan in Gujarat. Skies filled with thousands of kites as people enjoy 2 full days of Uttarayan on their terraces. Undiyu, khechiro, chekki, chinjra, sugarcane are the special festival recipes served on this day.
Sat Sri Akal. Let's balle balle. It's Lohri. The festival of kite flying is resembled with Lohri in Punjab. Celebrated on 13th January every year, marks the harvest of rabi crops. As Lohri is celebrated a night before Makar Sankranti, it marks the end of the winter pinnacle and the beginning of longer days. People gather and dance around the bonfire and enjoy the evening while eating traditional snacks like chikki, popcorn and gulli.
Makar Sankranti or Sankrant is celebrated with special delicacies and sweets in Rajasthan such as firni, tilpatti, gajak, kheer, ghevar and til laddu. The women of Rajasthan observe a ritual in which they give any type of objects related to household, makeup or food to 13 married women.
Stuffed along sugarcane, collect clay pots and decorated cups. These are the heartwarming sights that go hand in hand with the festival of Pongal, a celebration to thank the sun god and Lord Indra for helping the farmers getting better yielding crops. Yes, it was all about Tamil Nadu.
Makar Sankranti is a day of giving and donation. To mark the occasion, people take bath in the holy Ganga river and donate the things. The sweet made of til are offered to Brahmins and elders. Fairs are also organized on the banks and ghats of river Ganga.
Kale kawa kale, guguti mala khale. It is said that this day signals a change of seasons.
all the migratory birds start returning to the hills. A token of welcome for all the migratory birds who are now coming back after the winter stay in the plains. This tells us that India is a country which demonstrates unity in diversity. Along with fun, frolic, food and enjoyment, Kite Flying Day is also about sharing. Some of my friends share that on Uttarayan, along with the celebration, donation and sharing is given equal importance in different parts of our country, India. Now, let me invite my friends Dhan and Freya from grade 2D to let us know more about the joy of sharing.
Namaste everyone. I know you all must be wondering why am I feeling happy and joyful today? Do you want to know the reason behind my big and sparkling smile? So let me share one secret with you all. Yesterday our teacher asked us a question. What makes us feel happy and joyful? One by one we all popped up, saying getting gifts on birthday brings joy to us. Buying new toys makes us feel happy. Eating delicious chocolates, cakes and ice cream gives us immense pleasure.
Yes, Dhan, you are absolutely right. After listening to our responses, our teacher shared a story with us, and we all realized that we experienced a sense of joy when we give and share things with others. Giving could be in any format. For some, it could be money, and for some people, it could be time. Some people feel joyful in giving care and services to the society. So, without wasting time, let me invite a little storyteller, Jainam, from grade 2B, who will share the amazing story of joy of giving with us.
The joy of giving. Once, a teacher and his student went for a walk near a farm. While walking, they saw a pair of old torn shoes that might belong to a poor farmer working in the farm. Teacher, why don't we hide these shoes and wait for the farmer to come? It would be fun to watch his reaction when he will not able to find his shoes, said the student. Son, it's not good to play such a cruel joke with a poor person. I have a better idea. Why don't we just put some coins in his shoes and hide somewhere to see how the farmer will react when he finds the coins in his torn shoes, said the teacher. After a while, the farmer finished his work and came to collect his shoes. As he slipped his foot into one shoe, he felt something hard, and when he checked, he found coins. Then he started to look here and there to see if someone was looking for those coins. But he didn't see anyone, so he kept them in his pocket. Then the farmer slipped his foot in another shoe. He again felt something hard, and when he checked, he found some more coins. Seeing those coins, the farmer got emotional and tears came out of his eyes. He folded his hands and looked towards the sky and said, "Oh God, 1,000 times thanks to the person who helped me in this time of need. Because of that person's kindness and help, now I will be able to buy medicine for my sick wife and to get bread for my hungry children." Listening to the farmer's words,
The students' eyes were filled with tears. After the poor farmer left, the teacher questioned his student. Now tell me, what would have made you happier? Hiding his shoes or placing coins in his shoes? With tears in his eyes, student said, Teacher, I'll never forget this lesson you taught me today. Now I understand. The joy of giving is much more than taking.
To have such a diverse culture and virtue of sharing makes me feel proud to be an Indian. This reminds me of the line, वतन हमारा ऐसा ना छोड़ पाए कोई, रिश्ता हमारा ऐसा ना तोड़ पाए कोई, दिल हमारे एक है, एक हमारी जान, ये है हमारा हिंदुस्तान, ये है हमारी शान. As we are talking about our motherland, how can we forget to talk about the pride of India, our national symbol? Riya and Yashashvi from grade 2E are here to talk about this.
We will share about the pride of India, our national flag. Our national flag has 3 colors and a wheel in the center. All the 3 colors of a national flag convey some meaning. The top saffron color indicates strength and courage of our country. The middle white color indicates peace. And the lower green color indicates growth and prosperity. There is a navy blue wheel in the center having 24 equal spokes indicating Dharma Chakra of the great King Ashoka.
Our national anthem is Jana Gana Mana. Our national song is Vande Mataram. The song Vande Mataram was composed in Sanskrit by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, was a source of inspiration to the people in struggle of their freedom. It has the equal level of status with Jana Gana Mana. National emblem. Our national emblem was adopted by the Government of India on 26 January 1950. It has 4 lions seated back to back, which imply power, courage, confidence, and pride. The lions are standing on a platform with a Ashoka Chakra in the center, a horse on the left, and a bull on the right. Underneath the emblem, the words Satyameva Jayate are written in Devanagari script. The words mean truth alone triumphs. The emblem can be seen on coins, currency notes, postage stamps, government documents, and publications. Our national bird is the peacock.
Our national animal is tiger. Our national flower is lotus.
Let's welcome Mahak from grade 2E to present a very famous classical dance form of India, Bharatanatyam.
As I went walking down the tribunal highway, I saw above me that endless skyway, and I saw below me that golden valley. This land was made for you and me.
ये देखी धड़कती बाती, ये धरती हम सबकी है प्यारी।
Oh, different cultures, high values, sharing hearts. Our country is truly a treasure. Do you know what is the date tomorrow and its importance? Yes, it is 26th January, our Republic Day. How can I not talk about this great day in India's history? So now I invite Karthik from 2E and Krishang from 2C to deliver a speech on the same.
Namaste. The entire nation is all set to celebrate the Republic Day on 26th January. Republic Day is not just another Indian festival. It is a festival of joy, shared between people belonging to every religion, caste and creed. The entire country is decorated in tricolors to convey that India is a nation where unity in diversity is celebrated. Though our country got its independence on 15th August 1947, it took some time for our constitution to come into effect. Our constitution came into full power from 26th January 1950. From then, we started this tradition of celebrating 26th January as Republic Day, which is a national day. Let's not forget about those who sacrificed their lives for our well-being, and that are our freedom fighters like Bhagat Singh, Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and many more. Thank you.
Today I'm going to speak about 26th January, Republic Day of India. The Constitution of India is the document that lays the basic foundation for the working of the country. It was established on 26 January 1950. The Constitution gives us few basic rights and responsibilities. The rights are as follows: right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, right to constitutional remedies. But now, as we know, with right comes responsibilities. Here are few responsibilities. First, to follow rules and regulation of the Constitution and respect our national flag and anthem. Second, to value and preserve our rich heritage. Third, to respect public properties and be non-violent. Fourth, to protect and improve our natural environment. 26th January is now celebrated as Republic Day of India and is a national holiday. Thank you.
So we all got to know from our friends a constitution is a set of rules that guides how country, state or other political organization works. It also states the rights of the citizens, and we all know rights and responsibilities go hand in hand. Today, we the students of grade 2 are going to share how we as young children do our bit by following rules. Now let's welcome my friends who will share with you why rules are important. Followed by a dance performance by Daksh from 2E.
Rules are inevitable.
Rules are for our safety.
Rules help us to keep things in control.
Following rules makes us a responsible human being.
Rules help to maintain peace and order.
That was indeed true. We, as citizens of India and Rajkot, need to understand the importance of rules. and most importantly, accept the fact that rules are made for our benefit. May it be wearing mask, social distancing, traffic rules, etc. So, remember to follow rules.
आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले। जय हो, जय हो। आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले। जय हो, जय हो, जय हो।
सलाम इंडिया के जज्बे को। हम उनमें से हैं जो कभी हार नहीं मानते, फिर चाहे कोरोना आए, अर्थक्वेक आए या बाढ़, हम हर मुश्किलों का हंसकर सामना करते हैं और खुश रहते हैं। इसी जज्बे को दिखाते हुए पेश करते हैं एक गाना, हम हार नहीं मानेंगे, जिसमें आप देखेंगे कैसे हम इस मुश्किल दौर में भी डट कर रहे और हमारी पढ़ाई जारी रखी।
एक दिया तुम्हारा और एक लो है मेरी, टल जाएगी काली रात अंधेरी, हम डोर डोर साहस बटोर लाएंगे,
हम डोर डोर साहस बटोर
टूटेंगे नहीं नहीं, हम हार नहीं मानेंगे, हम हार नहीं मानेंगे, हम हार नहीं मानेंगे।
बस उनको ही सलामी देते हैं से आगे जो औरों को रख पाते हैं। हम सूरज है अंधकार नहीं मानेंगे, नहीं मानेंगे।
Today we talked about celebrations as well as the importance of following rules. While celebrating different festivals, be it bursting firecrackers on Diwali, the first day of New Year, or flying kites during Uttarayan, we always talk about and see to it that we remember and follow all safety rules. Following rules help us stay safe and avoid chaos. Hey, wait a minute. Why is it that when we talk about safety, we mainly think of keeping ourselves safe? What about following the rules for the safety and well-being of all other living beings with whom we share our planet Earth? What about following the rules for keeping our environment safe? It's time to think and reflect. Zara socho.
Sometimes you will never know the value of a moment until it becomes a memory. Well said by Dr. Seuss. We can all relate to this quote after facing a world crisis and pandemic. The year 2020 taught us many things. We experienced several new things and will always carry some regret. It taught us to value every moment and the small things which happened in our routine. We miss being on our campus. We miss our playtime. We miss laughing out loud with our teachers. And we miss traveling to our campus in buses every morning. But we took this as an opportunity to continue with our learning remotely.
Let's all come together and hope for a better world, for a better tomorrow where we can all be again fearless and play in our playgrounds without wearing a mask and breathing fresh air. Now with this hope, get ready for the national anthem.
Assembly सावधान.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तव जय गाथा, जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Assembly Vishram. We are thankful to our technical team, music team, audience, our parents and teachers for wonderful support. Now get ready for the exit song.
जन्मभूमि भारत, हे जन्मभूमि भारत, हे कर्मभूमि भारत, हे वंदनीय भारत, अभिनंदनीय भारत। जीवन सुमन चढ़ाकर आराधना करेंगे तेरी जन्म भर हम वंदना करेंगे, हम अर्चना करेंगे। सा नी रे सा नी प ध सा ग प रे रे सा सा नी रे सा नी प ध सा ग प रे रे सा। महिमा महान तेरी, गौरव निधान तू है, तू प्राण है हमारा, जननी समान तू है। महिमा महान तेरी, गौरव निधान तू है, तू प्राण है हमारा, जननी समान तू है। तेरे लिए जिएंगे, तेरे लिए मरेंगे, तेरी जन्म भर हम आराधना करेंगे, हम अर्चना करेंगे। सा